Bitboy, shocking. Secret XRP Ripple meetings exposed. XRP news today. XRP price prediction. Hello guys, welcome to our channel today. In this video, we're going to discuss secret XRP Ripple meetings exposed, XRP news and price prediction. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The Ripple network operates based on the Ripple protocol consensus algorithm. It does not use the famous proof of work or proof of stake systems. Instead, the Ripple transaction protocol performs consistent validation of accounts and transactions of the ecosystem by many independent nodes. For the operation to pass validation, all nodes must agree on it, and this is the only way to perform transactions. This protocol allows the system to prevent double spending, primarily by conducting surveys to determine the majority opinion. Double spending is the risk that a digital currency can be spent twice. It is the potential problem unique to digital currencies because digital information can be reproduced relatively easily by savvy individuals who understand the blockchain network and the computing power necessary to manipulate it. XRP will not allow you to spend the same amount of coins 2 or more times because the system detects the requested transaction first and deletes all the subsequent ones. The validation process in this consensus protocol takes only a few seconds, so the transaction time is minimal. On average, it takes about 4 seconds to complete the operation. The Ripple protocol works using gateways. The gateway acts as an intermediary in the chain of trust between two parties who want to complete a transaction. As a rule, banks are the gateways. The architecture of Ripple is similar to the architecture of the SWIFT global fast payment system. XRP price analysis. For many years after its creation, the price of the XRP coin was so insignificant that it was almost worthless. Until 2017, the asset's value fluctuated around 1 cent, but this changed shortly as the token began to receive broader coverage. It also took advantage of the bullish growth of the crypto industry that year. By April 2017, XRP had risen to 5 cents. The gradual increase soon continued, reaching 25 cents in May. After that, the asset had reached the point of no return, as it attracted the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value and potential of the XRP coin. The asset's value grew throughout 2017 and until the beginning of 2018, when it reached a record level of $3.84. But this was soon followed by a sharp drop in value, which affected all other cryptocurrencies. By the end of 2019, the price of XRP stabilized at 30 cents and did not exceed the 50-cent mark throughout the year. XRP/USD ended the trading week at 1.1921 and continued to move within the growth and bullish channel. Moving averages indicated a bullish trend. Prices have broken through the area between the signal lines upward, which indicates pressure from buyers and a potential continuation of the cryptocurrency growth from the current levels. At the moment, we should expect an attempt to develop a correction and a test of the support area near 1.1705. Where can we expect a rebound again and a continuation of the rise of the cryptocurrency to the area above the level of 1.8855? Cryptocurrency XRP forecast November 15 through 19, 2021. An additional signal in favor of the growth of XRP quotes in the current trading week, November 15 through 19, 2021, will be a test of the support line on the Relative Strength Index, RSI. The second signal will be a rebound from the lower border of the bullish channel. Cancellation of the growth option for the Ripple cryptocurrency will be a fall in prices and a breakdown in the area of 0.8055. This will indicate a breakdown of the support area and a continued fall in XRP USD quotes with a target below 0.6505. Confirmation of the growth of the cryptocurrency will be the breakdown of the resistance area and the closing of quotations above the 1.4255 area. Cryptocurrency XRP forecast November 15 through 19. 2021 suggests an attempt to test the support level near the 1.1705 area. Where can we expect a continued growth of quotations with a potential target at the level of 1.8855? An additional signal in favor of a rise in XRP value will be a test of the trend line on the Relative Strength Index. Cancellation of the cryptocurrency growth option will be the breakdown of the area of 0.8055. This will indicate a continued decline with a target below 0.6505. XRP price reveals massive bullish pattern. XRP price has set up a cup and handle pattern on the weekly chart with a measured move of 94% towards $3.85 from the neckline of the formation. Moving forward, Ripple must slice above $1.95, the neckline of the pattern, for the optimistic target to be on the radar. However, XRP price may face ample resistance before reaching the neckline of the governing technical pattern. The first obstacle for Ripple is at the September 6th high of $1.39, then at the May 17th high at $1.71, coinciding with the resistance line given by the Momentum Reversal Indicator, MRI. XRP USD weekly chart. Only a slice above the last hurdle at $1.95, the topside trend line of the prevailing chart pattern would ignite an explosive rally towards $3.85, recording a new all-time high for XRP price. On the daily chart, XRP price appears to be nearing a critical trend line that has acted as resistance for Ripple since April 16th. If Ripple manages to slice above the line of resistance at $1.23, coinciding with the 50% retracement level, further bullish intentions for the token may unravel. XRP USD daily chart. If a spike in sell orders occur, XRP price may discover immediate support at the 21-day simple moving average SMA at $1.15. Then at the 100-day SMA at $1.10. Additional foothold may emerge at the technical confluence at $1.06, where the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, 50-day SMA, support line given by the MRI, and the ascending support trend line meet. Dipping below the aforementioned foothold may be dangerous for the bulls, and XRP price may continue to consolidate. According to Credible's chart, the area between $1.50 and $1.70 was the point of breakdown in May, which ignited a multi-month bear trend for the seventh largest crypto asset until it bottomed out in July. Looking at Bitcoin, Credible says that BTC is primed for the short-term bounce after retesting support around $62,000. On November 8th, when Bitcoin rallied above $67,000, Credible predicted the rally would fall short and BTC would go through a short-term pullback. The crypto strategist is also looking at Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR, which is a public network for peer-to-peer payments. According to Credible, HBAR looks bullish after climbing above a critical level. David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, architect, and co-creator of the Ripple Ledger, in a recent interview spoke on the firm's growing interest in NFTs. Founder of Ripple-backed XRPL Labs, Win in February this year came up with a proposal to implement support for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the XRP ledger, which does not require changing the code for XRPL. Wynn highlighted a unique feature of NFTs, which is that they are indivisible and are used to create verifiable digital ownership and scarcity. According to Wynn, XRP Ledger already supports token issuing, meaning that they can be sent, transacted to other XRPL accounts. Another interesting event for the XRP crypto asset was the Apex XRPL Developer Summit that took place on September 29 through 30th, where Ripple launched a $250 million fund to support creators, monetize accessible and innovative NFT experiences on the XRP ledger. Will Ripple XRP price rise again? Apart from the influence of general crypto market trends on the price of XRP, there are 7 categories of factors that are potentially important for the Ripple exchange rate. The interest of global financial institutions, speculative events on the cryptocurrency market, including regional ones, informational reasons related to the development of technologies, news of competing cryptocurrencies and financial services, actions of financial regulators, lawsuits against Ripple Labs, Inc., and the course of their consideration, potential price manipulations of the company itself. In the past, the popularity of XRP and, as a result, the growth of its value largely depended on partnerships with these traditional institutions. Forming more partnerships will result in deeper acceptance by society, which invariably means higher value. However, everything is not so simple for XRP. The SEC's lawsuit further complicates the situation. Before the SEC filed the case, the XRP projections had been positive, even if they did not inspire optimism. But the lawsuit interrupts the breakthrough and makes Ripple's price prediction trajectory more difficult and enables Ripple to take the profit at a time when the crypto market was growing rapidly. Given how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately due to the extremely high volatility on the crypto market, it is even more so for XRP. After the trial, more and more traders are showing a bearish attitude towards the XRP cryptocurrency, raising fears that it may fall below 10 cents. However, the increase in prices from retail investors and traders allowed it to rise again. If XRP experiences a real breakthrough in 2021, it could reach its historical maximum of more than $3, but this looks unlikely while the SEC lawsuit is hanging over its head. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.